Hello everyone. Let's continue with the example that we have seen till now. So we have seen that how to create various components and how to embed them in our application, right? So this is the list of members, the heroes that we have. Now let's make it little better. Now let's remove this tab works, okay? And here we can have a uh, unsorted list, and here we can specify the class of navigation. Okay, so we are going to create a navigation, and here we will have the list. List class is equal to nav item. Okay, and within this item we will have the button. Okay, so we will have the button. For button class will specify the button and button primary. Okay, to begin with, and this should be all heroes, right? And similarly, we will, if you see, go and see the output, you will, okay, yeah, all heroes. You get this button, right? Similarly, we want to get some multiple buttons. So we want to say that white heroes, and we want to see that dark heroes, okay? So we have all heroes, white heroes, dark heroes, and we can add some spacing here, NB. SP, and similarly we'll add some spacing here, okay, if that's fine, right? So all heroes, white heroes, dark heroes, like that. And this whole thing we can move to a class container, okay, and this will start looking a little better with that, okay. Yes, so now as you can see, it is shifted to right. Everything is shifted to right. Welcome to Heroes demo, all heroes, white heroes, dark heroes. Okay. Now here we want to see the list, right? Now list we have embedded it directly here, right? But instead of that, what we can do is we can send that list to this app list, okay? And how do we send it? Using this input members is equal to, we can say get members, okay? Get members, right? So that's how we send the data to the app list, and the app list can have these members now. So we'll go to the app list. So this is the list, and if you want to specify some input, you can use this decorator. And yeah, uh, this is the this is the member. And with this member, what we are going to do in its HTML is here we will use app item star ng4, not like that. Maybe we should remove that, and here we can say div class is not necessary. Star ng4 is equal to let I of members, okay, and we will add this app, and here we'll say member is equal to I, okay, and that's how we are going to send this as an input. And inside the app item will go, and the app item should have a input as a member. So this should also have input here. So input is a decorator which will have this member. And once we have the member in HTML, what we can do is we can say h3 maybe. Okay, here we will add the member name, member dot name. Okay, and yeah, it works. It all works, I think. Okay, right. So here we can have oh, div class list group item. Okay, so here we can have div class list group item, and this class should have h3 member. Then we should have a button class is equal to button what can I say, success to move to right side. And similarly we can have a button danger, 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 move to dark side. Okay, so we have these two things, and what to do on the click that we'll see later, but here I'll give some gap here, and looks nice to me. Cool. See the output now. Okay, you have got all these items here. Move to white side, move to dark side, and the names of these items. Welcome to the heroes. Okay, these are not functional yet, but what we want to do, we will do it. Okay, so let's go to the service. Okay, let's see the rest of the stuff in the next tutorial. Okay, till now what we have achieved is we have created a service. We have this heroes list. There is a simple method get heroes which simply returns these heroes. This method is invoked by the tabs component. Tab has injected this service here. Okay, this is a dependency injection. This hero service is registered with our app module in the providers, right? So this is how it gets used. So once it is in providers, then any component can simply import it and simply inject it. And once it's injected, it can be used like this, right? So tabs component does some simple things that it has three buttons. It has a nav as a division, as a one div tag, a block where it adds these three buttons, and it has a app list. It integrates another component app list, and it gives these input members using this get members method. Okay, so nice. This much is good to understand the basic Angular, and we'll continue in the next lecture.